Good morning. Today we're going to actually make the syrup. We're going to take the sap right from the tree and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, in here I have about a gallon of syrup right from the trees. I'm doing small batches each day because this is personal, it's not for sale. Now you can see this looks like one bug and some little tree. We're going to strain that out right now. Okay, when we pour it in, we want to make sure it's hitting that white strainer. I don't have enough hands, that's why I have all these big metal ones there. Okay, I think we... Okay, I put it on high or medium high to begin with, and I leave the lid full on because that brings it up to a boil faster. And then I turn it down to medium or medium low, and I do this and the steam will come out. So right now, we're gonna leave it like that. 30 gallons of sap will make 1 gallon of syrup. Now, we only have 1 gallon of sap, so we want to figure out how much syrup are we going to get out of this? All right, so we're going to set these two ratios equal to one another. And who knew? A tiny bit of algebra will tell us how much syrup we're going to get. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, let's do a little division, find out how much of a gallon we're going to get. Okay, so we're going to get 0.33 repeating of a gallon. What the hell's that? All right, there's 128 ounces in a gallon. All right, so we set up a proportion with what we got. There's the fact, there's the rate, and I want to figure out how many ounces. So gallons go on the bottom. This is how much syrup I am gonna have. I gotta change it to ounces, so you set it up like that, and then you just do your cross products. Just multiply along the diagonals. So all I got to do is take 128 times 0.033, and maybe I will use a calculator for that, gosh darn it. I'm looking at, what is it, where are we at? We're going to get a half a cup out of this when we're all done by the end of the day. Oh man, look how it's going. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, now we're going to release this moisture out into the room, and now when you release this steam, this is so important. Please tip this away from your face. Woo, I gotta scream that. Tip it away from your face in the direction you want that hot moisture to go. I want it to go out into my kitchen, all right? If I had done it the other way, it would have come right in my face. Believe me, I did it once, all right? You don't want that. All right, so now we set it up so that the moisture will come out this way, and then real important, you turn it down to medium or maybe even medium low, okay? And you gotta pay attention. Now I want you to come in and take a look at the scum that is on the side here. You're gonna get scum. Can you see that? Oh, may have to come away a little bit. There will be scum that develops around as it cooks down. That is normal and that is okay. That's why this will be sterile when it's all done. Okay, quick check. Can you see the color is starting to change? And the scum, you can see the scum a lot better now. All right, we've got a few more hours into this before it's done. All right, we're an hour in. Let's come and take another look. Oh, oh, oh. Now you can see again, the scum is still there, but the thing I want to tell you this time, it's still quite liquid. It's getting more golden, and it's starting to smell like caramel. Okay. Okay, we're 3 hours in. Let's take another look. Whoa, it's getting more amber colored. I'm thinking maybe another hour. We'll see. Okay, it's done. We're 5 hours into it. And this is what it looks like. Now we mathematically said that was going to be a half a cup. So let's just get a measuring cup out and see what it is. Remember, our math said it's going to be 4¼ ounces. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we got a little over 5 ounces. This is great. We'll add it now to the syrup that we've cooked over the last 2 days. And let's see how this goes. Whoa.